Okay, well Dakota, right now Dakota's got all the Portland cement, aggregate, and stone mixed up in the bucket. And per our mix design, we should be adding roughly about 26 ounces of water. So Dakota, you want to go over there and grab our water? Now I just got a regular little quart jug here, but as Dakota brings it up here, we're going to show you other side, Dakota, hold that up so I got this side. So we're going to add about 20, where am I at here? Here we go. You're not really able to see it, but we're adding about 26 ounces of water. We're going to document these quantities on our sheet, and then any additional adjustments to the mix that we need to make.
You want me to pour while you mix?
Sure. Sure. Well, Jonathan's going to get involved here. And we're going to, hopefully he doesn't fall face first into our mix. So,
no problem.
So Jonathan's slowly mixing. Now, in our lecture, we mentioned that, and we didn't do it this, and we probably should have, is adding some water to the mix prior to adding the solid ingredients. Okay. We didn't do that here. We're doing the small mix. But if we're at a batch plant, we're in a truck, we're adding water to our mix. Before our mix, we're adding our aggregates, and then our balance of our water goes in at the very end. And that's in order to achieve a consistent mix altogether. So Dakota's mixing away here. I'm going to go ahead, and Jonathan's going to go ahead and add water to it. And Jonathan, we're about almost all the water. We've used all the water. So we're going to determine, as Dakota's mixing away here, we're going to determine whether we've got enough water in our mix or if we need to add a little more. So right now our mix was 26 ounces of water, 3 pounds of Portland cement. We were at 9 to 10 pounds of sand, and then we were at 19 or 17 pounds of rock. That was for our consistency of our mix. Dakota, what do you think? Do you think we need to add any more water, or do you just need to mix a little more?
I think we might need a little more water.
A little more water. So Jonathan's going to go over and get a little more water, but we need to record this. Now, if we're at a regular ready mix plant, they're going to have all these quantities down, and it's all going to be computerized. It is looking, and I'm going to try and get in here, it is looking a little stiff, so we need to make sure that we get this a little more consistency to this. Okay? So our goal in this mix here is to be about the same consistency of a bag of ready mix that you'd buy at one of the local home centers. So that's our goal. We look to be a little bit dry right now. So Jonathan's going to get a little more, like I said, a little more water. But I'm guessing we're not going to have to add a whole lot more, are we? So we're going to go ahead and mix. I'm going to cut away right now, and then once we get our consistency down, I'll give you an update on water and give you an update on mix. After we get this mixed, then we're going to get ready to do a slump test.